Yes, I said a bad word. That's what happens when you need to get your nails done and you scratch too hard. You're about ready to pop a nail. So before we get into the product review and the twist out, just wash my hair with those two products. I found this product on TikTok. This was supposed to be some big trend or craze. I do not know how to pronounce it, but child, the product actually feels good. It's like a buttery type to me. It fits well with if you are low porosity, so your hair will soak it up. But the key is, to me, you will need to sit under the dryer so that the product gets into your hair strands, because right now it is sitting on top of my hair strands. That makes sense. All right, so all I did was let this sit on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I washed out with lukewarm water. So now I'm getting ready to twist. Well, I already twist out half of my hair. Just showing you the twist of what it looks like. So the products I used was the Big Papa, and I used some oils, and that was it. I did not put in a leave-in conditioner because the one I have will turn my hair white, and I didn't want to do that. So update, I give it a 6 out of 10. My hair feels moisturized and soft. I do like the product. I give it a 6, and I will continue to use the conditioner in future videos. If you are new to my channel, I am currently 10 months natural. So I went natural April 16th, as you saw in the beginning of the video. I have been wearing protective styles since month 5 or 6. So I've been doing that with those Marley twists, just putting them in and then taking them out for about a week or two, and then put the Marley twist right back in. All right, so this is a free judgment zone. I have not done a twist out since around 2020. I chopped my big fro off because, well, I chopped it off because I was in the house just working from home and I was bored. We couldn't really do anything. So I chopped all my hair off, and then I chopped it off some more. So it's been quite a while since I've done a twist out. I was trying to get the hang of it. You will see later in the video of me unraveling the twist, and I didn't know exactly what to do, but I mean, now I got the hang of it since I had to retwist my hair for work. Please make sure you get those ends because that's what counts. You don't want your ends being frizzy. It did take me about, 2 days to really have my hair fully dry because I didn't go to work Friday. So I did this style Thursday night. I didn't go to work Friday, and then Saturday morning is when I took out the twist, and you'll see that in a few minutes in the next clip. But I retwisted my hair Sunday night, and I woke up this morning, Monday morning, and my hair was a little bit wet. And that's the picture that you saw in the brown shirt. But I'm just gonna put my nightcap on and then go to sleep. So here we're gonna unravel the twist and just go from there. Now, back in the day when I first went natural in 2017, the girls would say, put oils on your hand when you unravel your twist or your braid out, to combat the frizz. Well, I kind of like frizz. So to me, the do's and don'ts back then is a little bit different. And the reason why I say it's different is because a lot of natural girls really did not know what they were doing. They were winging it, and that's not a bad thing. It's just that nobody really taught us how to handle natural hair. We all got different hair types. A lot of us have type 3 hair or type 4 hair. So we just learned from each other and just made videos. And I feel like the do's and don'ts back then is totally different now. So now that I'm back natural and it's going to be a year in April, I feel like my do's and don'ts of everything that I learned way back then is totally different now. So I don't mind frizz, and you can obviously see that later in the clip, but my twist out is not as defined like everybody else's. Maybe because I wasn't putting oil in it, or maybe because I didn't twist real tight, but I kind of like it and I don't mind. So I don't follow those old rules, basically, is what I'm saying. So what I'm doing here, as you saw that I had already took out the twist, I had to untwist some more so that it can, fill in between the gaps and spaces. Because when you just take out the twist and you just have the two strands, your hair is too spaced out, and then that's when your hair is going to turn more into a fro. So I had to untwist the twist and then untwist the two strands to fill it out, and then I'm using the comb to lift up the hair, and that's what brings the hair together at the root, so that you can have more of a more uniform fro with the little twist. Again, this is a little bit frizzy, but it does look better off camera than on camera. I should say that. All right, so now that we're almost about done, we're going to go ahead with doing my edges here. So that's the same braiding jam that I use for like my braids. I just put a little bit on my edges, and then you're supposed to tie it down, but in this video I did not tie it down. Now that I'm going to be wearing my hair out a little bit more, I will be doing a lot of natural hairstyles on this channel, but I do have a second channel, which is Tamika Be Natural. So I do have 2 videos put up over there, but again, a lot of my natural videos will be on my second channel. I'm just putting it on this channel just to start off with, and then I'm gonna transfer some of the videos over there, but majority of my hair care videos will be on my second channel, so make sure you are following me over there. Again, that's Tamika Be Natural. Yes, darling. So now that we are about finished, this is what the back looks like. I do want to color my hair again, but just black. So thank you so much for watching. We're getting ready to enjoy our family time. Goodbye, gorgeous.